Welcome to the YouTube channel called Alien Programmer. Welcome to the in Java series 2. So, let's start learning. Our agendas are what is Java, where it is used, the type of applications are created in Java, features of Java, what is OOPS, what is the OOPS concept, Java system overview, advantages and disadvantages of Java. So let's start learning. So what is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform, and Java is a OOPS language too. Platform. What is platform? Any hardware or software environment in which programs runs, known as platform. Since Java has its own runtime environment and API, so it's a platform too, where it is used. According to the Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are follows: desktop applications such as Acrobat, Reader, Media Player, Antivirus, etc. Web applications like irctc.co.in, etc. Enterprise applications like banking applications, mobile embedded systems, smart card, robotics games, etc. So, application. What type of applications are Java run? So the first application is standalone application. It is also known as a desktop application or Windows-based application. An application that we need to install on every machine such as media player, antivirus. AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone application. Second application is web application. And web application that runs on server side and create dynamic pages. Enterprise application. An enterprise application is distributed in a nature such as banking application, etc. It has advantage of high level security. Fourth is mobile application. Mobile application is created for the mobile device. Currently Android, Java, ME are used for creating mobile applications. Features of Java. The feature of Java is simple language, it's object oriented, and Java is a distributed language too. Java is architecture neural, Java is a robust language, Java is interpreted and compiled language too. Java is more secure, is portable, and it's a multi-threaded language, and it's run on every platform. So, what is OOPS? OOPS is object-oriented programming is method of the implementation, a language in which everything represent in the platform of object. It's called object-oriented programming language. It's not only makes the program less complex, but makes the software reuse flexible and the possible. Java is not truly object-oriented programming language. Concept of OOPS. Concepts means object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction are the concept of OOPS language. Java system overview. Java application, Java programming language, Java native interface, Java class library, operating system class, loader verifier execution, and Java machine. These are the overview topic of the Java system. So advantages. Java is a simple language. Java does not support pointers. Java is first language in program can be executed using web. Like it's called Vora. One write once, run everywhere. So the Java is platform independent language. The disadvantages are slow performance, no support for low-level programming, poor feature in Java some of it, and no control over garbage collection. So, this is it for today. So if you have any query, comment below in comment section and like, share and mainly subscribe. So this is the first thing, and this is the first video of the Java series, and I am Parth Sudhar from the Alien Programmer signing out. Bye aliens.